हेलो दोस्तों, तो मैं इस वीडियो में बताने वाला हूं आप लोगों को कि किस तरीके से हम लोग अपने माई ट्रेनिंग में जा कर के अपना ट्रेनिंग जो है यहां पे आप लोग सर्टिफिकेशन पे क्लिक करेंगे और यहां पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं ग्रुप पर्सनल इंश्योरेंस मित्रा लिखा हुआ है। तो इसको आप लोगों को क्लिक कर देना है, जो कि मेरा नॉट कंप्लीटेड दिखा रहा है। मैं अभी क्लिक करूँगा इस पर और क्लिक करते ही फ्रेंड्स आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेना है। अब यहाँ पर लैंग्वेज सेलेक्ट कर लीजिएगा, हिंदी और इंग्लिश जो भी आपको सूटेबल लगे। अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को वीडियो दिखाया जाएगा आप लोगों को यहाँ पे 8 मिनट्स का। तो आप लोग यहाँ पे आराम से 8 मिनट का वीडियो वॉच कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है, ग्रुप पर्सनल एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस का, जिससे आप लोगों को जानकारी मिल जाएगा किस तरीके से आप लोगों को इसमें अपना ग्रुप पर्सनल एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस आप लोगों को अकाउंट
In this module, we will learn about introduction of the insurance, sum assured and premium details, benefit of the insurance, customer enrollment through Mitra app. After the completion of the module, the retailer will have to undergo certification with 10 questions. Getting 8 out of 10 means he needs to get 80% marks to complete this training. So please go through the modules carefully. Dear retailer, now you can provide new group insurance product to your Airtel Payments Bank savings or wallet customer, which is personal accident cover by Care Health Insurance Limited. Airtel Payment Bank savings or wallet customers are eligible to enroll under this policy. This is a group personal accident insurance which provides financial freedom to customers in case of any uncertainties like an accident or disablement or fractures or burns due to an accident. You can enroll your customer for this insurance via Mitra app without any pre-medical checkup. This insurance policy gives compensation amount to the family in case of accidental death of the customer, whereas the amount would be paid to the policyholder in case of permanent disablement, total or partial, temporary, total disablement, fractures and burns. For this insurance, the age eligibility is from 18 years to 65 years. Customers can claim the payout through the reimbursement from day one since there is no waiting period under this policy. This is available in 2 plans with a sum insured of rupees 10 lakhs. Plan 1. The yearly premium is rupees 499 including GST. Provides coverage, accidental death, permanent, total disablement and permanent partial disablement. Plan 2. The yearly premium is rupees 699 including GST. Provides coverage, accidental death, permanent total disablement, permanent partial disablement, temporary total disablement, fractures and burns. Customer would get maximum benefit under accidental death 10 lakh rupees, permanent disablement up to 10 lakhs. Temporary total disablement rupees 5,000 per week for a maximum of 100 weeks. Fractures and burns up to 1 lakh rupees. For more details, you may advise the customer to go through the rate chart mentioned in the product brochure. Let's see how a retailer can register a customer for this insurance through Mitra app. Tap on Mitra app. Log in through Airtel Labu number and PIN. Then log in on Airtel Payments Bank tab via Labu number and password. Tap on Personal Accident Cover. Enter the customer registered mobile number. Ask the customer to read the term and conditions and ask to tick on the checkbox for the agreement. Now tap on Proceed button. The customer receives the 6-digit OTP. Enter it here and tap on Verify. Select Plan 1 or Plan 2 as per the customer's request. Click on Product Brochure or FAQs to know more about this personal accident insurance. For example, select Plan 2 and tap on View Breakup. On the screen, we can see a pop-up with the breakup of the premium amount along with GST. Tap on Got It. Tap on View Details. On the screen, we can see a pop-up with the coverage details of the selected plan. Ask the customer to read and tap on Got It. Tap on Next button. Customer personal details populate here automatically because the customer is already registered with Airtel Payments Bank as a savings account or wallet customer. Ask the customer to check the details and provide the remaining details which are not available in the backend system. If a customer wants to update their name or mobile number, click on Edit and ask customers to call 8800 688 006 for any assistance. After entering all details, now tap on Proceed. Now proposal summary screen will be displayed and ask the customer to re-verify the details. Ask the customer to read the insurance declaration and tick the checkbox. Ask the customer to read standing instructions declaration if he or she is interested in auto debit for every year policy renewal. Now customer receives the proposal SMS along with 6-digit OTP on the registered mobile number. Enter it here and tap on the Proceed button. Now it's time to read the declaration by the retailers and tick the checkbox and accept. Tap on Proceed button. Now retailer M-Cash screen will be displayed. Retailer enters the 4-digit MPIN for the payment of this insurance through M-Cash account. Tap on Pay Now. The transaction has been completed and the final screen appears with insurance and transaction details. The customer will get the confirmation message along with policy details. Customers also receive SMS and email from Care Health Insurance Limited with policy details and certificate of insurance document on the same day itself. Coverage under this policy will start from the day after the customer enrolls for the policy, that is T+1 day. T is the transaction date. Claim process. Customers can initiate a claim under this policy with a few details like policy number and date of birth on the following options. 1. CHI mobile app. 2. Calling Care Health Insurance call center 1800-102-4488. 3. Sending an email to customerfirst@careinsurance.com. The following documents will be required at the time of claim. Duly completed and signed claim form in original. Valid photo ID proof. Medical practitioner's referral letter advising hospitalization. Medical practitioner's prescription advising drugs or diagnostic tests or consultation. Original bills, receipts and discharge practitioner. Original bills from pharmacy or chemists. Original pathological or diagnostic tests, reports, radiology reports and payment receipts. Indoor case papers. First information report. Final police report if applicable. Post-mortem report if conducted. Other document as required by the company to assess the claim. Customer can also track claim status on Claim Genie. Airtel Payments Bank. बैंक है पर अलग है. Thanks for completing the training on Group Personal Accident Insurance. Now it's time to complete the certification. A minimum of 80% will be required to complete the certification. After clicking on the Start button, questions will be displayed on the screen by choosing a language. Select the right answer and tap on Submit button. After getting an 80% score, you will be able to provide the Group Personal Accident Insurance to your customers. Now tap on the Start button.
अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को फ्रेंड्स अपना लैंग्वेज सेलेक्ट कर लेना है, हिंदी और इंग्लिश। अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को 10 क्वेश्चंस प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे। इसमें से आप लोगों को सही क्वेश्चन को पिक आउट करना है ऑप्शन, ठीक है। उसके बाद ही आप लोग यहाँ पे 80% से अबव मार्क्स ले आ पाएंगे, ठीक है। तो मैं यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स आप लोगों को दिखा देता हूँ कि किस में आप लोगों को किस तरीके से किस ऑप्शन को सेलेक्ट करना है, ठीक है, जिससे कि आपका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा हो। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स शुरू करते हैं। तो कुछ इस तरीके से फ्रेंड्स आप लोग देख सकते हैं, मैंने यहाँ पे फिलअप कर दिया है। आप लोग ही आराम से एकदम देख करके सही टिक लगा दीजिएगा, ठीक है। कहीं पे भी गलती नहीं कीजिएगा। अगर आपका गलती होगा तो आपका मार्क्स जो है वो कम हो जाएगा, ठीक है, 100% से। तो यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट का थर्ड है, सेकंड का सेकंड, थर्ड का फोर्थ और फोर्थ का थर्ड, फिफ्थ का फोर्थ, सिक्स्थ का सेकंड, सेवन्थ का फर्स्ट और एट्थ का सेकंड, 9th का है फ्रेंड्स आप लोगों को, यहाँ पे 3rd और 10th का 2nd। अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को 2nd सबमिट पे क्लिक कर देना है। सबमिट पे जैसे ही आप लोग क्लिक करेंगे तो फ्रेंड्स आप लोगों को दिख जाएगा 90% स्कोर यहाँ पे मेरा हो चुका है। ठीक है,